You guys better go, 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 go! Hey y'all, I'm Xavier. Welcome to the channel. Today we're gonna be watching Godzilla Minus One. So this movie came out in 2023 and it only recently released on Netflix earlier this year, and I finally decided to watch it. I spoke about it in my Oscar review predictions video a few months ago, and I said it was a top contender for winning Best Visual Effects, and it turns out it did win Best Visual Effects. I know that it's gotten a lot of praise, people have loved it, and I really want to check it out. Yeah, so those are my thoughts on it. I really hope I like it, and yeah, let me do a synopsis. It says, this gripping tale of veterans fighting to protect a war-torn Japan from a nuclear supercharged Godzilla won the Oscar for Best Visual Effects. Yeah, basically what I said, so can't wait. Let's get into it. Oh, I like that introduction, the introducing shot to us. Odo Island Airfield, final days of World War II. Okay, cool. Nice to give us some perspective on where we are.
実はいくら確認してもあなたの言う故障箇所が見つからないんですよ。
Wait, something's supposed to be wrong?
何が言いたいんです？
Okay, clearly I'm missing something.
死んでこいなんて命令律儀に守ったってこの戦争の結果はとうに見えてる。
Oh, okay, because he's a kamikaze, but he actually survived. Alright, I get it. I understand now. What are those dead sea creatures? Oh, okay. Oh! Taki is dead.
今日みたいに深海魚が浮いた日はゴジラが来るって。ゴジラ？
Oh, so that explains the fish we saw.
手前に出ました。まずいことになりませんか？重力ができていられるセーフさんで。
I doubt that.
奴が車線に入る前に。
Oh boy. Dude, you better shoot or you leave that plane. But why would you shoot? Absolutely stupid. Oh, damn. Oh. He survived, I guess. Well, I guess, yeah, he did. So, is he the only one?
死んだんだぞ！おい、お前が撃たなかったからだ！
I doubt that would have helped. Oh wait. This is so that was those two, and this is
光一
a
さん、
flash forward in time. Okay.
気な顔して帰ってきたのか。この恥知らず。あんたたち軍人が抜けなせいでこのありさまだよ。あんたらさえしっかりしてれば、うちの子たちも死なずに済んだんだ。この辺りをぐるっと火に囲まれたんだ。あの親も生きて帰ってこいって
Yeah. Not that
そう言いましたよね。
not that that's any good in where you're supposed to be a kamikaze pilot. Oh, what? She stole a baby? I would wait there too. Don't leave the baby, bro.
お兄さん、お兄さんが悪いんだよ。あんな場所に居座ってたら迎えに行けるわけないでしょ。なんでこの子置き去りにしなかったの？
あんなところに置いていけるわけないでしょ。
Yeah, he's a decent guy. Character
つい
building.
てこないでください。
こんなとこほっといたら私もこの子も死んでしまいますよ。
知りませんよ。
Obviously, you do care what he's making food for them, isn't he?
それ終わったら帰ってもらえますよね。
怖いね。このお兄さん人手なしだね。
じゃあその子は？
空襲の時頼まれたの。死にかけたこの子のお母さんに。
バカなんですか？そんな赤ん坊連れて太平楽できる身分じゃないでしょ。
Well, it's her,
お
nobody
兄さんだって
else.
ほっとけなかったでしょ。
Yep, you didn't leave her either.
親兄弟は？
They're all dead.
お兄さんも私と同じね。
Yeah, they are the same. That look was a knowing look.
おい、ちょっと。君。
Get over it, buddy. She's dying. It's gonna be late years later now. Oh, okay. My bad.
偽善しゃぶってさ、やだやだ。面倒はごめんなよ。
Oh, we could tell. We could tell.
育てられもしない子を拾ってくるなんて。
Yeah, basically.
どういう了見ない。
すみません。
Yeah, they were just doing their best.
うわー、時の白米がさ。
I thought she
迷
was
惑だよ
done.
本当に。
I thought she was done caring.
支度金だけで3000円だそうです。
すごいじゃない。
他ならぬ福音賞のお墨付きなんですよ。金がいいのもちゃんと訳があるんだ。米軍も帝国海軍も手当たり次第嫌いをまいたでしょう。それを掃除する仕事です。
Oh, you clean up mines?
バカみたいにいいのはまあ
Yeah, it's dangerous.
何言ってるんですか。やっとの思いで生きて帰ってきたんでしょ。
仕方ないでしょう。このままじゃ3人とも飢え死にです。秋子だってこのままじゃ
死んだらダメです。
大丈夫。危険なだけで死ぬと決まったわけじゃない。実施冷静の特攻とは違うんです。
Alright, if you say so, if you think so.
これが特別扱い。
They scammed him.
がっかりしましたか。船がこんなんで。
Yeah, I would be, yeah.
その中でも厄介なのが米軍の直式機雷です。金属でできた船が近くを通るだけで反応して爆発するんです。
Oh.
Oh. Like, right? Oh. Oh.
Okay, I get it now.
そいつをこれでダダダダダってな。
Yeah.
難しいんだ。
やらせてもらえますか。
Or maybe just a bad shot. Maybe he's just a bad shot.
揺れているから弾が届いた時の位置を見越して
ほほー
やるな。
戦経験ないのかよ。なら敷島と俺は同じよ。
全然違うだろ。お前飛行機操縦できねえじゃね
Yeah.
ああ、もうちょっと長引いてたらな。
You don't want.
それ本気で言ってんのか。
Yeah, you didn't want to be there.
え。あかん。
You can't say that to a veteran who's dealing with war stress. Please, come on, bro. Is he on the boat? Nope, it's a dream. A nightmare, in fact.
また悪い夢。
Yeah, another bad dream.
何言ってんの？大丈夫？
ここは日本だよな。帰ってきたんだよな。分かってる。分かってる。
Sad. Oh, a nice little family.
俺ちゃんに惚れんじゃねえぞ。
ですか。のりこさんは人妻ですよ、人妻。
やめてくださいよ。私奥さんじゃないんです。
どういうことだ。
勝手についてしまったんですよ。行くところがないからってまあ置いてるだけ。
このご時世に美談じゃないですか。
後先考えてないだけです。言ったろ、俺はお前の父ちゃんじゃないぞ。
But yeah, you are actually.
敷島、それはまずいんじゃないか。
実に不健全だ。
親子ともども縁あってこうして引き取ったんだから。
Exactly.
この際覚悟決めろ、覚悟。
幸せにして
黙れ。
そう言えばいいんだよ。
なんで。
Yeah, why not? He probably doesn't want to care. I don't know. Probably because of the death of his parents, I guess.
私銀座でジムの仕事始めたの。
金なら十分渡してあるでしょ。
いい加減自立したいなと思ってたんですよ。このまんまじゃこうさん、お嫁さんももらえやしないし。
急ですね。
ずっと考えてたんです。
USS Redfish reporting pursuit of massive undersea organism through Pacific waters after successfully photographing target with enemy creature scare.
Godzilla causing chaos.
こりゃ。
サメやクジラじゃこんなことはできません。
Exactly.
ソ連の
Because
新兵器です。
nope.
兵器による損傷に見える。
ゴジラ。あれ見てください。戦争中にいた大島で奴が来た日も深海魚が浮いていたんです。そのゴジラに全滅させられたんですよ。
ちょっと待て。あの部隊は米軍と戦って玉砕し。
Nope.
じゃあ敷島、あんた元特攻隊員なのかよ。まさかそんなのと戦えって言うんじゃないでしょうね、こんな船で。
そのまさかだよ。
What?
すごいじゃないですか、高尾ですよ。
その高尾が到着するまでの時間稼ぎを拝命したってわけだ。
Yeah.
アメリカとソ連、今きな臭くなってるでしょう。迂闊に軍事行動ができないんじゃないでしょうかね。それとこの件に関しては外部には一切他言無用とのことです。
この国は変わんねえな。
Nope.
変わらねえのか。
The more things change, the more they remain the same.
敵を撃ちたいんです。でも同時に俺にはあいつがたまらなく恐ろしい。
Yeah, that makes sense. It's a very complex ball of emotions.
どうしました？
I hear bubbles. Something's coming up out of the sea. Okay, more the fish.
ヤッコさんお出ましになるようだ。準備しろ。化け物タイプの手柄はこっちでもらうぞ。
父さんだって国からの指示気に食わないんでしょ。
ああ気に入らねえな。だがな誰かが貧乏口引かなきゃなんねんだよ。
Yeah, somebody has to. Oh.
こりゃいくらなんで。各社エンジン。
はいこっち。
Oh, bro, it's coming for them. You guys better go, 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 go.
すぐそこですよ。間に合いません。
それでも何でもやるんだ。
Yeah, you gotta do something. You gotta slow it down. Oh, this is so cool. I think you just made it angry.
聞いてません。
You gotta shoot. You gotta shoot.
岸島。
You gotta go. You gotta do it.
三島変化。はい。
It's not. It's not. Oh. I was gonna try to shoot it in the mouth. No, I think you just injured it. What the? Yeah, it's there. Go, go, go. All you did was make it angry. Oh, wow. No, it's not down. What? Go, Captain, go. You gotta go. Oh, okay. It's leaving by itself. All right. Second time, you got knocked out and then waking up.
こちらは東京方面に向かっていました。早く避難指示を出さないと大変なことになります。
政府はこの情報を国民に伏せています。
情報統制はこの国のお家芸だ。
Damn.
一体何があったんですか？
He can't.
何がコウさんをそんなに苦しめてるの？それなのに私はあなたの人生にこれっぽっちも関われないの？
Yeah, it's been 2 years. Well, almost 2 years. A year and a half.
あなたが何かを背負っているなら少しは私にも分けてほしいんです。
I like that previous shot there because he was blurry and she was in the light and clear and everything.
俺は
A coward?
俺は
Dishonorable?
特攻から機体が故障したふりをして大戸島にある不時着場に降りました。
Okay. That explains a lot. Why mechanics said nothing was wrong with the plane. Okay.
そこの整備兵の人たちが持っていたものです。俺は冷戦の機銃で撃ち殺してくれと頼まれました。その結果、彼らは皆
Everyone was dead.
怪物に殺されました。皆家族に会えたはずの人たちです。また何もできなかった。
At least you tried. You tried this time. Kinda too late, but at least you tried.
俺は本当は生きてちゃいけない人間なんです。
But you did. And you saved her and the baby.
生き残った人間はきちんと生きていくべきです。
のりこさんに何が分かるって言うんですか。
わかります。
無理です。あいつらは毎晩夢に出てくるんです。早くこっちに来いって。もうとっくにあの島で死んで朽ち果てて。絶対生きてるよ。
父さんは生きてる。わかるでしょ。
Yeah, just because you can feel it doesn't mean that it's not. It doesn't feel false to him. You know, it's interesting that he's been living with her for like this long and
終わりにしてもいいですか。
they haven't like formed a relationship past like I don't know.
もう一度生きてみたいんで
It's
す。
interesting. Not that it's necessary, but it's just an interesting decision that they made, the filmmakers and the writers, you know?
ダメです。まるで聞いてません。
Yep. It's on the way.
警察の指示に従って直ちに避難を開始してください。これは現実です。
Oh, okay. I saw this scene in Corridor Crew video. Now I have context of who she is. And context for the scene.
Godzilla.
Yes. R.I.P. to those people. You better hold on. Is that the one? Oh, lucky her. And lucky again.
今まさに一撃が破壊されております。皆様の思い出とともにあの一撃が巨大な怪物の顔が通過しようとしております。ここも大変危険になってまいりました。
Girl, move.
Run, Forrest, run! Run, Forrest!
He found her. Wait, where is Akiko? But I guess he couldn't bring her with him. That's what's happening. You guys gotta keep moving, keep going. No, they did not get it. Yeah. Oh, wow. She's dead.
Noriko!
R.I.P. Noriko. No. I didn't think they'd do it. They killed Noriko. Wow. Damn. What an image to see. Damn.
お母ちゃんね、ちょっと遠くまでお仕事に行ったんよ。だからしばらくおばちゃんとね。
Yeah, you gotta lock in, my boy. Gotta lock in. Do something. I don't know what you can do though. Ah.
許しちゃくれないってわけですか。俺がバカな夢見たせいだ。
秘密裏にゴジラを駆除する作戦が進行中です。誠に心もとないものですが。
He wants in. He's in.
参加しますか？
Yes.
つまり我々は民間の力だけであの怪物に立ち向かわなければなりません。皆さんにはそのために集まってもらいました。
そこに関しては私から説明させてもらいます。
野田さん、
今回の
すぐに再生してしまうんです。
お静かに。そこで全く別の手を考案しました。
Yes, you do. What is that approach though?
この状態でチューブからフロンガスを送り込み、木片を泡で包むとどうなるでしょう？
どうなるでしょって。んなもん泡が出ようが浮いたままだろ
う。フロンガスの泡は木片を包み込み、海水と木片の接触を断つのです。東京を襲った怪物ゴジラにこれを仕掛け深海に沈めようというのが今回私が立案した作戦です。
Oh, what are we gonna do now?
短時間で相模湾に沈め、その深海の圧力で息の根を止める。海の力でゴジラを殺す。これが和田摘み作戦の概要です。
I love is dramatic.
それでゴジラを絶対に殺せるんですか？
ゴジラの生態は未知のことが多すぎて予測で対策を立てるしかないんだ。
I mean, do you have any other options, guys?
敷島、可能性はあるんだ。ゴジラは一気に深海 1500m に引きずり込まれます。
ですからそれがダメだったら
予備作戦があるんだ。
投入。
Oh, I could tell that's CGI, but hey.
先の大戦を生き延びた皆にまたしてもこのような命がけの任務をお願いするのは大変心苦しい。
俺には家族がいます。俺だけじゃない。ここにいる奴の大半が
And what happens?
なぜ貧乏くじを引かねばならんのですか？
What happens if
戦時中みたいなわけにはいかんのですよ。
your families die if you don't do it? You have to try something.
それを止める権利は我々にはない。
これ絶対死ぬってわけじゃないですよね？
もちろんです。
じゃあ戦時中よりずいぶんマシだ。
よし、一丁やるか。
Hey man, you gotta lock in, you gotta try it.
そもそもあいつは罠張ってるところに「はい、罪でございますか?」って来てくれるのか。
Yeah, how?
なんですよね。
おい、無策なのかよ。
バカにしないでください。
まあ要するにお前の作戦は穴だらけってことだな。
Yeah, it is.
そんなこと言うなら代案出してくださいよ、代案。
やけになってんじゃねえか。
I would think so too, yeah.
のりちゃんの敵討ちてえだけだろ。
気に入らないようですね。
そらよ、なんでこんなことになる前にのりちゃん嫁さんにしてやんなかったんだ。 あの子の気持ちは分かってたんだろ。
俺だってそうしてやりたかった。
Yeah. Okay.
なんでだよ。
Yeah. Okay. So I was right. He was afraid of the feelings. Okay. Yeah.
戦争が終わってないんです。
Okay.
30ミリ砲4門という破格の重武装を誇り、
Oh,
数
30
々
million.
の新機軸を盛り込んだ革新的な機体です。
問題はそこなんです。優秀な整備士、いや機体を補修できるほどの人材が必要です。
Ah, so the guy from Tachinaba? I think that's his name, Tachinaba?
立花捜索さんやね。
はい。
Tachibana, my bad.
いつゴジラが舞い戻ってくるかわからない。
立花じゃなきゃダメなんです。間もなく彼にメッセージが届くはずなんです。お願いします。
Okay, he really believes in it. Okay, that's Tachibana right there. I remember him with the limp.
立花さん、立花さんですね。そう言いふらせばあなたが怒ってここを訪ねてくれると思ったんだよ。
Yeah, that's a good plan, but very dangerous plan.
爆弾を満載した戦闘機であいつの口の中に突っ込むんですよ。そうすれば確実に殺せる。
Oh, it's a suicide mission.
あなたの戦争も終わっていませんよね。
飛べるようにできますか？
Yes, he will.
ゴジラが近づいています。
思えばこの国は命を粗末にしすぎてきました。脆弱な装甲の戦車、補給軽視の結果、餓死、病死が戦死の大半を占める戦場。戦闘機には最低限の脱出装置すらついていなかった。しまいに特攻だ、玉砕だと民間主導の本作戦では
一人の犠牲者も出さないことを誇りとしたい。今度の戦いは死ぬための戦いじゃない、未来を生きるための戦いなんです。
Nice speech.
俺だってこの国守りたいんです。なんで乗せてくれないんですか？
Is he gonna find his way onto a boat?
俺も乗せてください。俺も一緒に行きたいです。
この国はお前たちに任せたぞ。
Sir, my boy. I know you wanted to, but I get why. Yeah, and I understand.
これはお母ちゃんと俺とアキコか？
おばあもいるんだよ。
大丈夫。どこにも行かないから。
You sit on a throne of lies.
But he plans to leave her. That's why he's leaving that message. Or whatever is in that package.
これを書いた子供はアキコと言うんです。あいつの未来を守ってやりたい。
そして
Is he showing him an ejector button or something like that?
大丈夫、大丈夫だよ。
He could have been more descriptive in his letter, you know, to see what he was doing, you know, but...
相模湾内でゴジラを発見。現在、水中拡声器部隊により作戦海域への誘導を試みている。
あれ、もうこんなところに。
Guys, gotta move! Gotta go, 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 go! Good luck, my boy! Good luck! Oh, that's a cool plane. That's an interesting plane design. Not gonna lie.
聞こえてんだろ、敷島！無視してよ。
Yep. He's gonna do whatever it takes.
前方です。
What does it say? Are we gonna find out now or later? We're not gonna find out now. Alright, he's taking the bait. Is he Yeah.
予定通り
予定通り予定通り
I don't want to be dramatic, but... Woo! Oh. There's nobody on the ship. Woo!
わだつみ作戦を開始する
Okay, what he's doing is trying to just draw its attention to give them some time. Woo! Whoa! Oh, well, okay. Alright. You're cutting it close, man! You're cutting it close! Okay! It's sinking. They're probably gonna have to bring it back up. Oh! It stopped. Whoa, that's a...
Godzilla! 沈没しました!
やったか
Nope.
予備作戦に移行し
Yeah. You gotta bring him back up now. Oh no, we didn't.
食い破ってやがる
Damn.
他に手はないあらゆることは全部やるんだはい
Oh, I don't know still work, but hey man, you're in it to win it. You gotta do it. You gotta do it. You gotta do it.
こちら横浜へ
この声
水島です
Oh boy.
小僧お前が
How's he gonna help? Oh, he got a boatload of ships. Yeah, a whole load of ships.
役立たずは返上でお願いします
さあ恐れ入り屋の騎士魔人だエモヤイトレエセモヤイトレ
Yeah. Oh, nice, 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 nice.
進路上がり始めました上がってこい上がってこい
Oh, that boy is angry. Shikimi, he's gonna do something. Sorry, the name is, is he gonna fly inside the mouth? My boy's locked in. I think there's an ejector button.
この座席は
Yeah, like I thought. Nice. What, is Godzilla defeated? It fell apart. They won. My boys won. Okay, what's in the message? Tell us. Wait, is Noriko alive?
降参の戦争は終わりましたか？
Yeah, it's over. What was that on her neck? Oh no, this thing is growing back. Sequel. Alright, so that was Godzilla Minus One. Wow. I was gonna say loved it, but I didn't love it. I just really, really, really liked it. Very, very good movie. Had a very good experience. One thing, let me start with the end first. That shot where the Godzilla is building up back again. Yeah, sequel. Also, is that radiation that she has? Noriko? Is that why? She has that thing on her neck? Because, yo, that's kind of weird, bro. Kind of weird. But yeah, like, I liked pretty much everybody in this movie. It was a knockout at the acting, top notch. Let me see. The name of the guy who played Koichi is Ryunosuke Kamiki, Mr. Kamiki. 10 out of 10. The scenes where he's showing his pain from, you know, the trauma that he's dealing with from his failure to participate as a kamikaze, and then also not to shoot the gun, and then the people at the airfield died, and then Godzilla survived and everything. It was just really, and I see why it won the Oscar for visual effects. Only if the thing was in the courtyard when they were doing the flotation, the blow up, when I did that, that's the only thing that I saw that kind of looked, I'm not sure. Everything else top notch. I see what one is fully. I say this while I'm not seen. I don't remember the other nominees, so I can't really say. But I see why it won the Oscar, because the budget was like 10-15 million, roughly around that apparently, and you see the quality that they did is astounding. It's just brilliant work, top notch work. The visuals and everything, CGI, visual effects, loved it. You know, they did their thing, and a very, very nice story. It fit the setting, you know, post-war Japan, and then it started at the end of the war, and then post-war Japan, and this guy is dealing with this trauma, like I was saying before, and he finds this family. It's a found family, and he's afraid to commit to Noriko because he's still dealing with this pain. His mental wellness is in the bin, and he just can't commit. He wants to. He really has deep feelings for her, but he can't commit because it's not within him to be able to. And that's why he doesn't want Akiko to call him daddy, because he accepted at the end after Noriko is presumed dead, but then he's just still dealing with his pain, and he just doesn't want to do that. And I think that was portrayed really well. They did really well in terms of giving a lot to Kichima. I'm not sure if they did enough. I'm gonna just call him Koichi for sure. They did a lot with Koichi. Noriko. Noriko. The actress Minami Amabe. She did a good job. Do I think they could have expanded a little bit on her? Yes, but then Koichi is the star, so I see why they focus more on his struggles, and because Noriko was ready for him, but he wasn't ready for her. So I thought that was portrayed well, and you see that she just got the job because she's like, it was portrayed to be that she's not sure. She knows he can't fully commit to her. They've been living this for like a year and a half, and he's not been able to do it, and so he's like, I gotta be prepared to just exist on myself by my own, and so yeah, that's why she got the job and everything. So I got that. So they could have done more a little bit younger, but it was what they did with her was subtle, and I respect it. I got enough to get a sense of her character. They did enough. I wanted more, since she was like the female lead and everything. But everybody else, they got their little thing. Sumiko, she was the first quarter of the movie. She was just like, yeah. She was out of it. But then when Akiko shows up, she's like, I can't let this baby die with these unprepared parents. So I'm gonna assist, and then eventually she's just like assisting all the time and everything. Because she wanted that connection. She lost her family, and she wants this connection, and so she's helping this young family. And she raised her kids gone and everything. So she's been a surrogate parent, a third parent to Akiko. So I like that. Noda, who does it? Noda, the captain, and Doc. I like them. They brought a little pizzazz to the movie. A little in there, just I look fair to the movie, and I like that from them. I like that the kid, he was banned. He decided, figured that they might need more help. Let me do it. So pick up him for that. Well done, him. You made a good call, and I am happy you did. They needed you in the end. I don't really have a lot to say, just other than I don't want it to be rambling and everything. But yeah, very good movie. Tell a friend and everything to watch this movie. If they're not like subtitle what the word am I looking for? Subtitle avoidant, then yeah, they can handle this, and it's gonna be a very, very good time. And it's late at night when I'm watching this, so if my thoughts aren't there, so that explains it. So I might do an addendum later when I'm editing. Maybe if I think of something. But at this moment, no. It's just really good movie. This is my first ever. I forgot to mention this is my first Godzilla movie, and I had fun. I really liked it. I see. So I can't compare it to other Godzilla movies, and like I haven't really watched a lot of monster movies, and no, yeah. So this is I've watched it like could you be called a monster movie? No. Um, The Mummy. Would you consider Mummy a monster movie? I guess. I've watched all three Mummy films. Can't really think of any other films like that I watched. Just alien films, aliens. Would they be considered monster films? I don't know, but if you count them. But films like Godzilla or something like that. No, this is my first one, and so. If there is a sequel, I will readily watch it. And now I'm kind of interested in watching the other Godzilla movies. Not necessarily the old ones. If I'm watching the old ones, I might. But it's not like at the top of the list. But this is now on the list because of this movie. So well done, filmmakers. You've got me interested in Godzilla movies. I want to watch more. I might watch a King Kong movie. I might watch, all that and this and that. So my appetite is whetted. So kudos. I commend you on this because the experience was very much enjoyable. You're invested. You wanted to see how it played out. It got me into it, and so love that. Love the experience. Can't wait for more. And those are my thoughts. Goodbye.